Quest Foundation presents Ma Swamini Prerna. The theme of the magazine is Jivanni Sarthakta, author Sadhu Gyanananda's article name, In Search of a Purpose. Discovering one's authentic purpose in life is comparable to locating the guiding star in the vast cosmos. It bestows significance on our endeavors, sheds light on our trajectory, and enables us to traverse the journey of life with lucidity, determination, and contentment. However, in today's world, the tumultuousness of daily obligations, societal demands, and individual obstacles shape our purpose of life principally in the wrong direction. This phenomenon of ignoring the true purpose of life may develop the habit of continuously engaging in a race of achieving worldly objects only. Consequently, we may lose contact with our deepest values and passions. Due to this ignorance, the innermost voice that murmurs our true purpose is drowned out by the cacophony of the outside world. Sometimes the most intelligent person also lives in this ignorance. A rich and learned man was crossing a large blue lake in a small boat. To pass his time, he asked the oarsman, "How much do you own?" "Only this boat and the clothes I am wearing," came the reply. The rich man laughed. He asked another question, "Can you count to 10?" "No," came the answer again. The man of learning wrote. Continuing the inquiry, he asked, "Do you know anything about business, politics, science, philosophy, dancing and the arts? Do you have any general knowledge whatsoever?" "None at all," replied the oarsman. The rich man guffawed and exclaimed, "Half of your life has gone in water." Just then a great wave caused the boat to capsize, and both of them tumbled into the lake. "Now may I ask you a question?" said the oarsman to the man of great intellect. "Go ahead," he replied. "Can you swim?" "No," came the response. "Then," observed the oarsman, "you will lose your whole life in water. What is the purpose of our existence when whatever we do or achieve in life, like the rich and learned man crossing the lake, counts for nothing in the final analysis?" However, we still live with this misconception of believing untruth as truth. Moreover, we don't even see beyond the worldly things. Therefore, we always chase after this worldly truth which fulfills our worldly desire. Ultimately, nothing we gain in our lifetimes is worth more than a glass of water and a loaf of bread. Yet the fact remains that we exist in all our pointless glory. Is there, then, no special purpose to human existence? There is. Bhagwan Swaminarayan shows the ultimate purpose of life. We also wish to join the ranks of the Aksharup Muktas and go to Akshardham to forever remain in the service of God. We have no desire for the temporary and vain worldly pleasures, nor do we wish to be tempted by them in any way. This is the real purpose of human life, the search for truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. The truth behind the culmination of all. Truths physical, philosophical and psychological, the truth behind every word, concept or dream that may or may not be listed in all the dictionaries and encyclopedias of the world, the truth about everything including ourselves. This is what life is really about, observing, thinking and thoroughly understanding everything about ourselves and the universe. This fact was concluded by physicist Stephen Hawking in his best-selling book A Brief History of Time. Why is it that we and the universe exist? If we find the answer to that, it would be the ultimate triumph of human reason, for then we would know the mind of God. Mahant Swami Maharaj explains, when we read the ultimate purpose of life from the scriptures, attaining Akshardham or realizing one's self or God, that does not mean that it is beneficial only for the next life. We must understand that the scriptures always emphasize the two paths, 11 Apara and 11 Paravidya, say the Upanishads. Not a master of either, nor a jack of both. A master of both. The ephemeral and the eternal. The mortal and the immortal. The world and the Lord. This is the lofty purpose of human life. In this way, when we keep our eyes on the highest divine purpose of life, we always try to make our every second divine.